Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to download and install Visual Studio Code. Now, Visual Studio Code is a lightweight, powerful source code editor which runs on your desktop, and it's available for Windows, Mac operating system and Linux. It comes with built-in support for JavaScript, TypeScript, Node.js, and has a rich ecosystem of extensions for other languages. Let's dive in. So first, we go to code.visualstudio.com, and then right away you will see the download button on your left hand side and also one on the top right corner. Choose the version you want to install. In our case, we are going to choose for Windows. So we download. So once we click the download button, we shall see that the executable file will be downloading. So once it's done downloading, simply click on the executable file, and then we shall see a pop-up prompting us to accept the license agreement. We click on accept the agreement and then click on next. Next, we choose where to install the VS Code, the directory. I recommend you leave this as default and just click next. Next, and then we have some options where VS Code prompts us to add additional icons. We create a desktop icon and then open with code, we check that, and also open with code action to Windows Explorer, we check that, and then click next, and then we install. So we see that our VS Code is getting installed, so it will take just a few minutes. So once it's done installing, we can see that desktop icon has been created, and also it has an option of launch VS Code. So we just click finish. So once our VS Code is being launched, and there you go, you have successfully installed Visual Studio Code. In the next series, we shall see how to use Visual Studio Code and how to add extensions. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.